and that's
the magic glass containing the names of our judges. So this is what we're going to do. We'll call your name, you come forward, you say aloud the name of the judge who's going to answer the questions, okay? Jamel, would you like to start?
alright, ladies. This is it. The question and answer portion. Shall we begin with candidate number 1? Candidate Anna goes first.
What are you feeling right now?
I'm nervous, ma'am.
Oh, B. Just relax, okay?
Alright.
So, always the judge is going to answer the question.
And you chose Sir Algayan Alejandra. A question from you.
Yes. Hello, candidate number 1. From what region are you? Can you hear me? From what region are you?
From COA, sir.
Okay. So, candidate number 1, can you tell us about your hello? Okay. Can you tell us about your region?
What is that?
About your region, about your place. If you were elected COA chairman for 1 year, what could be the most important change you'll make in the organization? Again, if you were elected COA chairman for 1 year, what could be the most important change you'll make to the organization?
Test, let me test it.
Thank you for a very nice question, sir. I will not introduce a major change in commission audit, but I will work on the salary exemption of the COA standardization in order to boost the morale of the employees in view of their salary increase. That's all, sir. Thank you very much.
Very well said. Thank you very much, Miss Jehan Sebastian. You may now go to your place as we call. And she is Katrina May. Please speak. Right, and you have chosen.
I feel very nervous.
Okay, the judge who's going to answer the question is Mr. Anthony Aguero.
Why nervous? Why are you nervous?
Because I think my duty.
Here's your question. If you could go back and start your life over again, what one thing would you do differently and why? Again, if you could go back and start your life over again, what one thing would you do differently and why?
One of my frustrations in life is to cook good delicious foods like my mom used to cook. If I were to go back and start my life over again, I would have taken first-hand cooking lessons from her. That would be all, sir. Thank you, and to God be the glory.
Thank you also. Candidate number 2 from COA region.
Katrina, what makes her nervous? And she said, my beauty makes her nervous. I want to back and say, how come I'm not nervous? Maybe because I'm not beautiful. Is that it? Siguro I'm beautiful kasi I have beautiful girls. They're all watching. Hello, girls. Okay, let's go on candidate number 3.
Candidate number 3 is from COA region 10. She's blue curl bag.
Okay, pick a paper D.
Is that right?
Yeah, this is it.
Okay. you choose Sir Anthony Aguero. A question from you, please.
What region are you? From region.
I'm from Region 6.
Okay. If given the chance to visit your place, what tourist spot would you take me in and why?
I would take you to Mambuaya and do the river rafting, and I'm sure you would enjoy it.
Okay, salamat. Anyway, here's your question. Ano ba yung question? What do you think is the biggest problem facing today? Again, what do you think is the biggest problem facing COA today?
Thank you for that question, sir. I would like to answer that in a relative manner. And as a young auditor, I believe that the greatest problem or the biggest problem that COA is facing today is how to source funds for the full implementation of the upgrading of salary structure of COA employees. It has been already passed, the bill has already been passed, but it has been pending because of the lack of funds. Even though there are the savings of the COA from the annual budget is not yet adequate, but so then I believe that the increasing salary of employees is very important because it can help in ensuring and strengthening COA's independence. Therefore, I think that is the biggest problem that COA is facing today. Thank you and good evening, everyone.
Thank you to you, candidate number 3, Ms. Ruby